welcome back to the video, and today I am going to be making slime for you guys. So yeah, so the stuff I got here today is I got some crazy art slimy, I got some crazy art washable clear glue, I got some crazy art washable white glue, and I got some crazy, I got Nickelodeon slime activator, and I'm gonna be, yeah, that's all. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be making some clear slime today because my activator doesn't work with this glue, and it works with contact solution and baking soda. My purple friend's laughing. He's behind the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so yeah, my container is an old Play-Doh container. So yeah, and I put slime in one of these before. This one. See the slime in it. There's store-bought slime in this one. And in my next video, I'll be doing a slime / putty video. So yeah. So let's get into the slime making process. Okay, so I got my container here and this metal little plate. I used to have a kitchen set whenever I was little. I still have it. It's like all torn up stuff. Okay, so yeah. I don't know which one I'm going to be using today. I'm thinking I'm going to be using the metal plate because y'all can see it and stuff. And I got all these different utensils. I don't got any spoons for some reason. I got a little plastic fork, a bigger plastic fork, a plastic knife, and a little tiny plastic knife. And the biggest utensil of all is the big knife that's used like kitchen and stuff. So yeah. So we don't have any food coloring today, but that is okay because we want to make the clear slime. But whenever we touch it and whenever we need it, it's gonna get foggy, and that's what clear slime does. Whenever you play with it, it gets foggy and stuff. I got this Band-Aid on my thumb. Ouch. It's from opening the tripod box. Ouch. Okay, so I'm going to be pouring my clear glue onto my plate now. I think that's good. Cut me. Okay, so yeah, the top cut me. Okay, so I'm gonna speak louder now, because I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. So yeah.